Hey, boy, put that egghead book down, boy, because pay attention when I'm talking to you, boy. I say I'm gonna take you out to the woods and learn you about scouting and woodcraft. Real Davy Crockett stuff. You'd like that, wouldn't you, boy? No, boy. Nod when you mean yes. Shaking your head means no. And I know you don't mean no, do you, boy? This boy's more mixed up than a feather in a whirlwind. Well, you got your signals mixed, but I know what you mean. Forward, hutch! March, that is. Now find yourself a spot to sit down, boy, because right off the bat, I'm gonna learn you how to make a fire without matches. Pay attention, boy. The trick is to bow at the proper speed to create the necessary friction to ignite the tips, thus causing natural instantaneous combustion. That's impossible. Can't light a twig. Scientifically unsound. Well, boy, where's the fire? A woodsman's got to know how to forage for his eating victuals. And with this duck call, a smart hunter can bring down all the ducks he wants anytime. Get a load of this. So I'm not a smart hunter. Yeesh. Come on, and I'll show you how to set up this simple box trap. Well, there she is, boy, all set. Now, where did that boy go? Looks like the boy genius is trying to show me up. Well, what are you trying to do, boy? Build a better trap than mine? Well, you'll never catch nothing in that contraption. The principle's all wrong. Look, I can step in it, nothing happens. I can make off with a bait, nothing happens. I can jump over it, nothing happens. Hey, boy, got any more of those long-haired books?